desire. I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away now.
Hi y'all, welcome back. Today's tutorial is in collaboration with WowAfrican Hair Company. They sent me over a brand new wig to try out, so let's get right into it. The wig I received is their Silky Straight Pull and Go lace wig. Let's get into the details, shall we? So y'all, this wig comes with an HD lace and everything is pre-done for you. Pre-cut, plucked hairline, and bleached knots. Have y'all heard of the 𝐒𝐈𝐆𝐒 hairline? Well, this unit also comes with the 𝐒𝐈𝐆𝐒 style hairline, and it is a 360 lace, meaning lace all around the perimeter. This wig also comes with the invisible adjustable straps built into it. Y'all, I am starting out with my hair in a bun. Normally, when I'm doing a 360 lace wig, I would not start off with a bun, y'all, but I don't plan on wearing this wig for more than a few days. And y'all know I'm a gym girly, so I like to keep my hair done underneath of my wigs. But here you see, I just took a bobby pin and I flattened out my bun a little bit so that it will be easier to put my wig over it. And now I'm going in with a stocking cap and just covering my hair with that. I did have some little baby hair action going on, y'all, so I'm just combing those hairs back into the stocking cap. And I'm gonna go over my stocking cap with a little bit of my foundation just to tint that cap a little bit. So now for the good part. Let's go ahead and install this wig. First impression, the hair feels really good, like nice and silky, as well as the pre-done hairline, chef's kiss. WowAfrican, they always do their thing though. They are definitely becoming like one of my favorite hair companies to work with. So I will be gluing down the front of my hair, and I'm using my Bold Hold lace glue. I am bringing the hairline down a little bit because of that 𝐒𝐈𝐆𝐒 hairline. I tried it before, y'all, and it didn't come out right, so I'm trying it again in today's video. Once I did get that hairline like glued down, I noticed that I'm not really a big fan of the 𝐒𝐈𝐆𝐒 hairline. I know I said that in a previous video, but I just have a really small head, and I think that that hairline being so close to my eyebrows was just not a good look, y'all. It just wasn't a good look. So next up on the list is just tightening up the back of that lace. I am pulling that string. I'm not using any glue back there at all. I'm pulling that adjustable invisible strap, and then I am securing it, and then I'm just going ahead and tucking it into the back of the wig. It is that easy, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and flip my hair up into a ponytail so you guys can see just how easy it is to do a ponytail look without gluing it down. So now let's go ahead and get that lace together. I put a edge band on, and I'm gonna keep that on while I curl my hair.
Everything you want already yours, yeah. If you believe it, that's the hardest part of receiving. It's your season, only if you mean it. Shawty giving us love, but she failed. Searching for a king to hold it down. All this time you been waiting your turn. They can never take what's yours. It's already written, baby girl, don't trip. We already know what it is. Don't rush, be still.
So now that the whole head is curled, I'm just going in with a little bit of my wax stick, not too much, and laying down those flyaways at the top of my hair. And then I'm going to go in with my hot comb and just make the top of the hair nice and flat.
I don't want this love to just disappear. Lord, I need you to feel this atmosphere. I need all you.
Now that I've combed through those curls and they're looking good, this is how the wig looks. This is if I wanted to just keep it down, keep it, you know, without doing the updo style. This is pretty much how I would style it. I'm going in and adding a few layers to the front of it just to frame my face a little bit, and also to prep for that updo style that I'm going to wear my hair in. But ultimately, y'all, this is what the curls look like. This hair does curl really, really nicely, and the hair also feels really soft. So definitely another one of my favorites. But let's get into this updo style. Y'all, I'm going to show y'all the quick way to do it. The quickest way ever. And how cute are these clips? I found them at Marshall's. I'm going to be using it to clip up my hair. For one, I'm pushing my hair all the way back into kind of like a ponytail, and then I am rolling it up and then clipping one of those clips on it. I'm going to go ahead and take that hair and just position it where I want it to be. Kind of like in a bun style, but I want it to look really messy. So I'm not doing it very uniformed at all. I took some bobby pins, clipped them in there to secure it. And now I'm just going in and adding a few more layers to the front of that hair and some curls.
You're feeding in the morning until the evening, making sure that your children are breathing. It's you I'm needing, it's you I'm needing. Grab the word, then I speak it. On the curb, you know I preach it. One in a never can never be repeated. So my will has gotta be completed, but your word, it never is defeated. So if I fail, I know you'll redeem it. Right up the throne, my savior is seated.
And once you're done curling the front of that hair a little bit tighter, this is pretty much what you will get. It's a really cute, effortless updo style that you can do with your pull and go lace wig. Y'all, it looks so good. Check my description for the details, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Smooches.
On things now, I'm working on them soul things now, forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days.